Good morning, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is the 7th day of March 2025. I woke up this morning to learn that P2B's estranged aide, Dr. Doyin Okupe, is dead. May his soul rest in peace. They said he died of cancer, though before now I have seen that apart from the old age of Okupe, I have seen that recently he was macheting, he was reducing in weight and everything. So I learned that he was sick before now. Doyin Okupe was a physician, was a politician, and he plays both the good and bad politics in Nigeria. And sometimes he don't maintain his integrity. Sometimes he speaks from the two side of his mouth. Doyin Okupe was aide to Obasanjo during his administration, and he came to, he became popular to me personally when he became the spokesperson to P2B presidential campaign, and I learned what he told us then about P2B and about Nigeria's situation. And after Tinubu became president, I also learned what he told us different from what he said before. So he's not consistent. May his soul rest in peace. I learned this through Sahara reporters this morning that reported that breaking Dr. Doyin Okupe is dead. Now, this is what Sahara reporters published. Dr. Doyin Okupe, a prominent Nigerian physician, politician, and former presidential aide, has died. According to sources close to the family, Dr. Okupe has been critically ill in the weeks leading up to his demise. His health had reportedly deteriorated significantly, prompting concern among his loved ones and supporters. Sahara reporters confirmed that his death was linked to cancer, marking the end of a long struggle with the illness. Sahara reporters said in October 2023 reported that Okupe was hospitalized with prostate cancer and was flown to Israel for treatment. However, it was learned that his condition did not improve as he and his family expected. Okupe was first diagnosed with prostate cancer 16 years ago and later developed sarcoma in his right shoulder. So this is the report available about his illness. Anyway, may his soul rest in peace. As I said, he died. He lived his life, the way he wants to live it, and he has tried for himself, for his family. That is very important to note. Okupe has tried for himself, for his family, but from my own record, he's not a stable person, and he speaks from the both side of his mouth. And secondly, I am not against taking someone or a politician to abroad for treatment, but I'm against a situation where ordinary politicians don't even treat himself in Nigeria. So what is the fate, what is the hope of a common Nigerian man? You see the reason why I am always angry with politicians, especially prominent ones who have assumed the position of authority but did not use it to do anything good for their people. These are the reasons why I'm not always happy with them. Okay, he was diagnosed of cancer, he was flown to Israel. How many of you watching me can comfortably fly yourself to Israel if you become ill? Your president is doing the same, your governors are doing the same, even ordinary commissioner, if not because of corruption, commissioner are supposed not to even talk where someone who is selling tomato that has a good shop is talking. If not corruption in Nigeria, how much is commissioner's salary? If not the corruption and all those things, is politics supposed to give you money and make you wealthy? No. So I'm not trying to use his death to say all these things. I do say them before. So I am against every politician flying abroad. If I am, God can never be a man, okay? God can never be a man. But if I am in the position of God, every Nigerian politician who looted money, who has the power to build good hospital, did not build it. If you fly to abroad for medical treatment, you die there. Simple as that. You die there. There is no two ways about it. Because you cannot be flying abroad to take treatment. It's an intimidation to poor citizens because they can't do anything. They can't go even to pay for medical bills if they can't pay. The other day I went to General Hospital Agbo. That was last 3 weeks. Yeah, last 3 weeks I was in General Hospital Agbo. I took someone, a family member there. And when we got there, every office billing. They were billing us. Like, I was asking, what is wrong? Is this not a government hospital? The charges are too much. But is the charges the problem? No. The charges supposed not to be problem if the hospital is of standard. A whole general hospital in a Kafera constituency, a place that have produced someone like this embattled the former CBN governor Mefile, chief of family staff CDS Erabo, a place that have produced Zenith Bank icon, Jimovia then, a place that produced Ndoke Rabo, the owner of Arise News, a place that produced a governor, former governor of Delta State, Ifeanyi Okowa, to mention but few. Okay, that place has produced a lot of people. I don't think by now a hospital don't have light. You understand? Because I wanted to still, take the break in Agbode, but it's so unfortunate that I couldn't. The mosquito in the hospital will even infect the patient who came for treatment. I think they are going to carry another sickness as well. So the patient I brought, even herself could not stay. She couldn't stay there. She could not, because she was telling me that I will, fall more. Another illness might just erupt. I don't know. I have to go. I can't stay here. And she was to stay like 3 days, but she left after paying here and there, both for injection, for any, you pay for everything, but no light, no ventilation, no fan, no AC, nothing whatsoever. It's a very shameful thing. Okay, apart from Asaba, no worry. I think the next developed place should be Agbo, the third most developed city in Delta State. Their hospital don't have oxygen, they don't have light, they don't have anything. They don't have absolutely nothing. It's so shameful. It's uncalled for. This is after they have produced 8 years. 8 years governor, and so on and so forth. And the present governor of Oboriwori is not doing anything about it. But if Oboriwori is sick, maybe he's being diagnosed of cancer, India is right. They'll fly him to India. If former governor of Kowa is sick, if the sickness is, if it is complicated, they'll fly him abroad. Okay, but ordinary masses, they can't do anything. They can't go to hospital and have a good hospital of their own. Anyway, no matter what you say, it's even the poor masses that will still support them against you talking. They will still tell you, why must you mention why must you do this? It is very difficult to speak the truth in Nigeria. And that is why we'll continue to go like this. That is why we'll continue to, live like this. Babangida said in his book, page 331, he said that Nigerians don't ask questions. That is why they use them against themselves. That is why politicians use them against themselves, that they are badly educated. And that is the truth. So may the soul of Dr. Doyin Okupe rest well. It is God that will decide whether he will rest in peace or not.